Here we have a rare opportunity of a Rolls Royce Ghost extended wheelbase. As you can see, we've got the Spirit of Ecstasy with the distinctive Rolls Royce front grille, daytime running LED lights with all-round parking sensors and cameras, 21-inch forged Rolls Royce alloy wheels, which are two-tone contrast, and also the two-tone coach line along the side of the vehicle. Full chrome surrounds on the windows along with the chrome door handles, LED backlights with a full electronic powered tailgate with integrated rear tailpipes. Electronic folding exterior mirrors, finished in the two-tone contrast silver paint with the gunmetal. Entering the side of the vehicle from the coach doors, you'll notice that the car's got the parquetry on the tops of the doors with a full leather stitching, perforated leather seats with a Rolls Royce stitched and embossed headrests, electronic memory and also massage seats in the rear, along with the TV displays and the parquetry rear picnic tables. And the floor is also finished in the lambswool material. The driver cabin's got the full leather steering wheel, which is multifunctional, with automatic headlights and wipers. The transmission is finished with the Spirit of Ecstasy logo, with the hidden display, full leather stitched dashboard, panoramic sunroof, which is covered by the perforated leather headlining. Another very nice feature of this Rolls Royce Ghost is the rear drinks chiller, with enough room to hold champagne glasses and also a bottle. Rear controls communicates with the front screen at the front of the vehicle. Dual channel TV displays, so you can watch individual channels at the rear of the vehicle. Under the bonnet of the Rolls Royce Ghost, you'll see the 6.6 litre twin turbo V12 engine. The luggage compartment's enough for at least 2 storage cases. Finished with a lambswool carpet with power door close. There we have it, the Rolls Royce Ghost long wheelbase. The car has been owned by our chairman and driven by his private chauffeur from brand new, and the car's just done over 9,500 miles from brand new. Thank you for watching.